Hi friends! I love playing Would You Rather, and Disney Would You Rather is my favorite. I love asking my friends and family regular Disney Would You Rather questions, like would you rather ride Tron or Tower of Terror if you were at Disney World right now? But I also love asking made-up scenario questions, like would you rather win free Disney dining for the year or free Disney hotel stays for the year? So today's video is a Disney Would You Rather. I'm starting us off in Magic Kingdom today for a wonderful and relaxing Disney day, with questions that could or would really happen. But I'll be sharing some other videos soon with more made-up or fun type situations. Whether you're watching during your workday or playing with your family, I hope you enjoy this video. I hope this video brings some of that Disney magic we all know and love to you wherever you are. Now let's set off for Magic Kingdom for an awesome day in the most magical place on earth. Have fun! To start your day, would you rather wake up really early and rope drop or sleep in and get to the park whenever it feels good to you? Would you rather get to Magic Kingdom by minivan, resort bus, monorail from the TTC, or boat from the TTC? Would you rather get your morning coffee from Starbucks on Main Street or Joffrey's Coffee? Next, would you rather watch the welcome show at the castle or go straight to a ride? What would you rather ride first? Seven Dwarfs Mine Train or Peter Pan? For a breakfast snack, would you rather eat a cinnamon roll from Gaston's Tavern or a Mickey waffle from Sleepy Hollow? What would you rather ride with no wait? Haunted Mansion or Jungle Cruise? Now it's time to meet a character. Would you rather wait 30 minutes to meet Minnie and Mickey or Tiana and Rapunzel? Which souvenir would you rather buy? A Mickey balloon or a bubble wand? For a cool snack, would you rather eat a Dole Whip or a Mickey bar? It's time for another ride. Would you rather ride Pirates of the Caribbean or Buzz Lightyear's Space Ranger Spin? Would you rather watch the Festival of Fantasy parade in a great spot or ride 3 attractions with no wait during the parade? Would you rather eat a 2-hour lunch at Cinderella's Royal Table or a 20-minute lunch at Casey's Corner? Alright, after lunch, would you rather ride the teacups with someone who spins super fast or ride the Tomorrowland Speedway with a kiddo who just cannot drive straight? Next, would you rather ride Small World or Little Mermaid? To relax, would you rather ride the Liberty Square riverboat or ride the train around Magic Kingdom? While taking a break to watch the Main Street Philharmonic, would you rather eat popcorn or cotton candy? Would you rather take some photos by the purple wall or by the tangled restrooms? Would you rather ride Tron or the Tomorrowland Transit Authority People Mover? Next, would you rather meet Aladdin or Captain Jack Sparrow? Would you rather shop and buy something that you'll use in the park, like mini ears, or something to bring home, like a mug? It's time to watch the fireworks. Would you rather buy tickets for the dessert party or grab your favorite snack and save seats for an hour before the show starts? Would you rather leave an hour before the park closes to miss the crowds or be the last person to leave the park? I hope you enjoyed your time at Magic Kingdom. I'd love to know in the comments which question was hardest for you to answer. For me, it's deciding between riding Tron and the People Mover. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new videos like this coming out in the future. Alright friends, I'll see you real soon in the next video. Have a magical day!